What if the reason people seem to notice you less after 50 isn't your age? What if it's because you stopped showing the world what makes you valuable? After 50, many men quietly feel invisible. Fewer people ask for their opinion. Conversations move past them. Younger people seem to get more attention, more opportunities, and more respect. And slowly, a dangerous thought appears. Maybe I don't matter anymore. But the Stoics would tell you something very different. Your value was never supposed to depend on other people's attention. Marcus Aurelius reminded himself that a person should focus on becoming worthy, not on being praised. So if nobody notices you anymore, don't chase attention. Build presence. Here's the first shift. Stop trying to prove yourself. The man who constantly explains his success, his experience, or his importance often looks insecure. The truly confident man doesn't need to announce his value. He walks calmly. He speaks when he has something meaningful to say, and he lets his actions create his reputation. Second, take care of your body. Getting older is natural. Giving up is a choice. You don't need to look 25. You need to look alive. Walk every day. Train your body. Improve your posture. Dress with intention. Sleep properly. Take pride in your appearance. When you respect your body, your presence changes. Third, stop begging for attention. This is where many men lose their power. They become desperate to be included. They chase people who ignore them. They constantly seek approval. But Stoicism teaches you to control what belongs to you, your actions, your attitude, and your choices. You cannot control who notices you, but you can control whether you become someone worth noticing. Fourth, become interesting again. Age should give you more depth, not less curiosity. Learn something new. Read. Travel. Build something. Develop a skill. Have goals that excite you. Because confidence doesn't come from demanding attention. It comes from having a life that doesn't depend on it. And finally, remember this. You're not invisible because you are older. You become invisible when you stop growing. The world may not applaud every step you take. That's okay. Stoicism teaches us that the goal is not to be admired by everyone. The goal is to become so disciplined, calm, capable, and purposeful that your presence speaks before you do. So after 50, don't ask, why doesn't anyone notice me? Ask yourself, have I become someone I would notice? Because your second half of life can be your strongest chapter. Not because everyone suddenly starts watching, but because you finally stop living for their attention. Build yourself. Carry yourself with dignity. And let the world notice or not. Your worth was never in their hands.